Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Something special today. We're doing Israel National Trail. We're doing Modi'in to Elad. The full segment actually goes all the way to Tel Afek, but this is going to give you a taste as to how beautiful these trails are right outside Modi'in. And I have two wonderful people joining me on the journey. This guy, if you don't recognize him, there's something wrong with you. This is Avigdor, and we have a cousin, we have a family member, Josh Kaplan, joining us. Morning.
Right.
Have you done this section before?
Never. I'm looking forward to it.
Let's do it. 1, 2. Okay, the beautiful journey's begun. Sometimes tricky to find the trail markers, but this is what you have to look out for. National Geographic has actually rated this trail as one of the top 20 epic trails in the world. 1,100 kilometers long. How much are we doing today? Probably only 1% of that. 15k if we find our way. Easy as pie. So we are running in the Shvela. This is actually the northern extremity of the Judean lowlands, and we bypassed Tel Hadid, and now we're going to hug the mountains of Samaria as we go north in the direction of Elad. We are planning to do around about 15-16 kilometers, but the full segment is 24 kilometers, which takes you from Mitzpe Modi'in to Tel Afek. So have a look on the map, and I'm going to give you just an idea as to the section that we're doing. Very simple to do. We've taken 2 cars. Last night Vicky and Josh just parked 1 car in Elad, and this morning we started at Mitzpe Modi'in. So if you want to do point to point, you'll have to have 2 cars. Right, time to get going. See you later. What's nice about this trail, there's always little picnic spots you can stop and rest, and that's the whole point of this, to take it in. It's not about the time. That's what we love about trail running. Here we go, nicely done up this hill. Right, onward and upward for now. Okay, it's quite incredible. Look how the landscape changes within the space of 2 kilometers. We left the Ben Shemen forest, and now you've got the dry hills of Samaria in front of you, and check out that fire. And now we're rocking it. Yes, there we have it. An overpowering view of the Trans-Israel Highway. Check out those flags flying. I'd much rather be on this trail than on that trail. By the way, if you're wondering about the color of the Israel National Trail, orange, blue and white. Why is that, Biggie?
Orange is the sand, blue is the sea, and white is the snow.
You got it. Snow on the Hermon, blue of the Mediterranean, and orange of the desert. A real artery of the land of Israel. It actually pretty much follows the Via Maris, the way of the sea. So historically, an incredibly important trade route. And today, it's just a thrust of traffic from Beersheba all the way up north near Haifa. Right, Shoham coming up. And there she is, in all her glory. Okay, we've reached the Shoham industrial area, but don't be fooled by these roads, because we're still running in Teva. That's what it says. Teva, which means nature. You're looking at the largest generic pharmaceutical company in the world, one of them, and this is their main distribution center. Pretty gardens here in Shoham industrial area. Alrighty, gets a bit tricky here, but fun. Just got to keep on looking out for the trail markers. rough rodent. We have found a vat. Whoa, you're on the pressing floor, you see this?
I'm very pressing.
Very depressing here.
Yeah.
This is unbelievable, look at this. This is remarkable stuff. Here we're standing on the mosaic floor, probably from the Byzantine period, which is the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th century here in the land of Israel. I've never been here. What a winner, thanks Viggy. Viggy has brought us to a gem of a site here. Just have a look firstly at the view behind us. This is the most awesome view looking towards Tel Aviv in the distance. You can see a plane taking off at Ben Gurion. But we have come into this archaeological site, and Josh and Viggy are actually standing in the apse of a church. This is the apse that faces east towards the rising sun. Whoever was in this church wouldn't have been depressed, because here is a press right next to the holy site, probably in secondary use. But friends, where in the world can you be running and all of a sudden you come across something that's 1600 years old, and back in the day they would have been standing here facing the rising sun, which happens to face Jerusalem. So this could have been a Judeo-Christian community. Either they were facing the sun or they were facing the holiest of holies in Jerusalem, Ira Kodesh. And thankfully we have found the trail. We're going to continue here and we're going to go under Highway 6. Okay. Ooh, huh? See the light. Hallelujah. Check out this beauty. We're heading into the deep, deep forest. Woo! You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers, get some nuts.
You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers, get some nuts.
Paka, paka, paka. Friends, look at this. Paka Paka, this is my first time at Paka Paka. What do you do here at Paka Paka?
We have grilled chicken, sandwiches with grilled chicken, everything we make by hand. Everything.
This is unbelievable. It's like a little bit of a gym in the middle of this hard trail run that we're doing. Is it Portuguese chicken or is it Israeli chicken?
Israeli chicken. It's the taste of childhood.
It's the taste of childhood here in Israel. Paka Paka, second best to Nando's. You know Nando's?
You said second best?
Let me repeat that. Better than Nando's.
Ah.
Okay. So I'm going to post in the description a little bit about Paka Paka. Come and give them a visit, come and eat. They got a nice little picnic spot here. Let me show you what they got here. You can just sit out here. Wow, this is really absolutely superb. Where dreams take flight from farm to fork. Love these Israeli concepts. Nothing like it here in the land, a startup nation. Peace out. See you at the mausoleum. Okay, we didn't have a Paka Paka, but we've got the Koach here in Givat HaKoach, and we're heading through the forest. We've got about 4 Ks left, so what was planning to be a 15 K is looking like an 18 K, but that's good. Ultra distance marathon athletes always like the extra miles, and that's why we're piling them on, like we've already said. Pile on the miles. Hopefully we won't get piles. Inside, inside. There we go, go in. Okay friends, we are entering the most well-preserved mausoleum, Roman mausoleum in the land of Israel. You can actually see it was turned into a prayer mihrab. This faces south towards Mecca. So the Muslims took it over in the 6th century, but this was built 2,000 years ago. And here's a Roman arch to prove it. Aren't you impressed? And why here, you may ask? Why here, you may ask?
Why here?
Why
the
here?
main trade route between somewhere and somewhere.
There you go. Main trade route.
It always is.
It always is, exactly. And if you connect it to a story in the Bible, Rachel, she was buried on the way.
Yeah.
You know, on the way to Efrat. And here could have been a very important Roman dude en route on the Via Maris, heading somewhere. Absolutely an architectural gem here in the land of Israel. A recognized heritage site. drop dead gorgeous. Excuse the pun. See you at the finish. Hey, that's it. 18k. Couple of wrong turns, turned it into 18. But that's life. Hi, Chaim. Doesn't matter if you make wrong turns as long as you continue to get to the finish, and that's where we are. And we're going to close up quickly with Josh and Victor. I want to ask them why they think this segment is a nice one to do. Okay, here we are at the finish in Elad. No, so what do we say?
Yeah, so you get your ups, you get your downs, you get your singles, you get your group runs. It's a bit like life, you know. But at the end of it, you run together, finish together, and you finish strong.
Nice. You want to do?
Great. You get a bit of everything. You get the scenic views of the Tel Aviv, Rishon, Rehovot, etc. The old church, the Monasteum.
Nice.
Beautiful day, fresh air. Thank God. I'm thinking a lot about the Chayalim who are protecting us and enabling us to do this. You know, looking after our land for us and doing their lives on the line. So there's a lot in my mind as well.
Well, thanks for adding that in. Mixture of the best. Love you guys. Subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, let us know what you think, and remember, in a few years time we're going to take you on 53 segments of the Israel National Trail, so lots to look forward to. Love you guys. See you in the next one.
Oh Sam, this isn't really nice.
It's just
On a scale of 1 to 10,
Snickers, get some nuts.
you ready?
何真的，有哪鱼我你 hungry? Snickers, get some nuts. 怎么样？何真的，有哪鱼我你 hungry? Snickers, get some nuts.